Welcome to the Dahua DVR Network Connection Guide. In this video, we'll walk you through the effortless process of connecting your Dahua DVR to your network. So let's get started. Check the DVR and router Ethernet cable are connected properly. Here you see no Ethernet cable connected to DVR, not even DHCP enabled to DVR, even service is showing offline because no internet connected is provided. Procedure to enable live view. 1. Plug network cable. 2. To enable DHCP. 3. To enable P2P. Step 1. Begin by ensuring that your DVR and router are both turned on and properly connected to power. Step 2. Using an Ethernet cable, connect one end to the LAN port on your DVR, and the other end to an available LAN port on your router. After connected Ethernet cable to DVR, 2 LED light will be blinking, so you have successfully connected to DVR to router. Step 3. Once the physical connection is established, power on your DVR and wait for it to fully boot up. Step 4. You will be prompted to enter the login credentials. Use the default username and password unless you have changed them. Step 5. In the networking section, select the network setup option and choose the DHCP tab. Enable DHCP to automatically obtain an IP address from your router. Save the changes. Here DHCP is disabled. We need to enable DHCP mode to obtain dynamic IP address from router to enabled or passing internet. Step 6. Once you have completed the network setup, restart your DVR to apply the changes. Congratulations! Step 7. To install Android app through Play Store. Open Play Store and search DMSS. Install it. After successfully install DMSS, open and tab plus sign to add DVR serial number by scanning serial number to add DVR to your mobile. After that, choose P2P connection, fill the details: device name, serial number, username, user assign password, then add. You have successfully connected your Dahua DVR to your network. Now you can remotely access and manage your DVR from anywhere with an internet connection. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.